Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 19th of January 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs. Our first question is, which of the following day is celebrated as Army Day in India? Answer is option number 1, 15th January. Every year 15th January is celebrated as Army Day in India. It is celebrated in recognition of Field Marshal Karyappa's taking over as the first Commander-in-Chief of Indian Army from General Francis Butcher, the last British Commander-in-Chief of India, on 15th of January 1949. Answer will be option number 1, 15th January. Next question is, who among the following has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of Sikkim High Court recently? Answer is option number 1, J.K. Maheshwari. Recently, J.K. Maheshwari has sworn in as the new Chief Justice of Sikkim High Court. Governor Ganga Prasad has administered the oath of J.K. Maheshwari as Chief Justice of Sikkim. Answer will be option number 1, J.K. Maheshwari. Sikkim capital is Gangtok, Governor is Ganga Prasad, and Chief Minister of Sikkim is Prem Singh Tamang. Next question is, the team of archaeologists has discovered world's oldest known cave in which of the following country recently? Answer is option number 2, Indonesia. Recently, a team of archaeologists has discovered world's oldest known painting taking back to more than 4,500 years in Indonesia. The cave painting depicts a wild boar endemic to the Sulawesi island of Indonesia. Answer will be Indonesia. Indonesia, look at map. This is Indonesia. Capital is Jakarta. President is Joko Widodo, and currency of Indonesia is Indonesian rupiah. Next question is, which of the following institute has recently developed a 9mm machine pistol called ASMI? Answer is option number 4, DRDO. DRDO, in association with the Indian Army, has recently developed a machine pistol called ASMI for Defense Forces. This machine pistol is in the class of the Uzi series guns of Israel and has a range around 100 meters. It is expected to replace the 9mm pistol currently used by the Defense Forces. Answer will be option number 4, DRDO. DRDO, long form is Defense Research and Development Organization. It was established in 1958, headquarters in New Delhi, and currently chairman of DRDO is Dr. G. Satish Reddy. Next question is, which of the following country has awarded Rohini Godbole with its highest distinction, Order of Merit? Answer is option number 3, France. Rohini Godbole. Rohini Godbole is an Indian physicist and Padma Shri awardee. She is a professor at the Center of High Energy Physics in the Institute of Science, Bangalore, and she recently has been awarded with French Order of Merit, one of the highest distinction granted by France to honor eminent persons. She has been awarded for her contributions to the collaborations between France and India and for her work in promoting the visibility of women in science. Answer will be option number 3, France. France. This is France. Capital is Paris. President is Emmanuel Macron, and currency of France is Euro. Next question is, with which of the following nation India has signed an MOU to enhance cooperation in the fields of information and communications technologies? Answer is option number 2, Japan. Recently, India and Japan have signed an MOU in January 2021 to enhance cooperation in the fields of information and communication technologies. The agreement was signed by the Union Minister for Communication Ravi Shankar Prasad and Japanese Minister for Internal Affairs and Communications Takeda Ryota through video conferencing. Answer will be option number 2, Japan. Japan, capital is Tokyo. Prime Minister is Yoshihide Suga, and currency of Japan is yen. Next, what will be India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as predicted by Fitch Rating? Answer is option number 4, minus 9.4%. Fitch Ratings. What is Fitch Ratings? Fitch Ratings is an American credit rating agency. It was formed on 1914, headquarters in New York City, and recently Fitch Rating has predicted that India's growth rate in the current financial year, that is in 2020-21, will be minus 9.4%, and in the next financial year, that is in 2021-22, it will be plus 11%. Answer will be option number 4, 9.4%. Next question is, US President Donald Trump has become the dash US President to be impeached twice by the House of Representatives. Answer is option number 1, first. Recently, the President of US, Donald Trump, who is the 45th President of America or USA, has become the second President of USA to be impeached twice by the House of Representatives. Answer will be option number 1, first. Next question is, who has become the new President of Kyrgyzstan recently? Answer is option number 1, Sadar Japarov. Look at the image. This is Sardar Japarov, and recently he has become the new president of Kyrgyzstan. Answer will be option number 1. Kyrgyzstan. Look at map. This is Kyrgyzstan. Capital is Bishkek, and currency of Kyrgyzstan is Som. Som is the currency of Kyrgyzstan. Next question is, which of the following Indian company has become the most valuable company according to recently released Hurun Global 500 list? Answer is option number 4, Reliance Industries Limited, or RIL. The Hurun Global 500 report has been released recently, and as per the report, 11 private Indian companies have been included in the list of Hurun's 500 most valuable companies in the world. India has been ranked 10th on the chart with 11 companies on the list, and Reliance Industries is the top Indian company on the list. The global rank of Reliance Industries on the Hurun 500 list is 54th. The second most valuable Indian company on the list is Tata Consultancy, or TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, and it has ranked at 73rd number. Next, India's first air taxi services has been inaugurated recently in dash. Answer is option number 1, Haryana. India's first air taxi services has been inaugurated in Haryana recently by the Chief Minister of Haryana, Manohar Lal Khattar, at Chandigarh Airport, and the service has been started from Chandigarh to Hisar under Udan scheme of central government. Answer will be option number 1, Haryana. Haryana, look at the map. This is Haryana. Capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Governor is Satyadev Narayan Arya. CM is Manohar Lal Khattar. Its legislature has 90 seats. 10 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 5 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Haryana. It borders with Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab and Delhi. Now, we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, what is India's rank in recently released Henley Passport Index 2021? Answer is option number 485th. Who is the author of the book titled The Population Myth, Islam, Family Planning and Politics in India? Answer is option number 3, S.Y. Qureshi. RBI has cancelled the license of Vasantdada Nagari Sahakari Bank Limited. The bank is based in which state? Answer is option number 4, Maharashtra. Which of the following day is celebrated as National Youth Day in India? Answer is option number 1, 12th January. Which country has been selected as the focus country in the 51st International Film Festival of India? Answer is option number 1, Bangladesh. Tata Consultancy Services Limited has recently become the dash company to hit 12 lakh crore in market capitalization. Answer is option number 2, second. Which edition of the biennial coastal defense exercise Sea Vigil 21 has been conducted in January 21? Answer is option number 2, second. The Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana has completed dash years in 2021. Answer is option number 2, 5. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, who has been appointed as the new chairman of selection committee of Indian cricket team by BCCI? Answer is option number 2, Chetan Sharma. Recently, Chetan Sharma has been appointed as the new chairman of selection committee of Indian cricket team by BCCI. Answer will be option number 2. Now, today's question is, who has been appointed as the new Director General of CISF, that is Central Industrial Security Force, recently? Options are Kumar Rajendra Chandra, Subodh Kumar Jaiswal, Lakshmi Narayan and Ajay Kumar Pandey. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video.